Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? What's going on this time? You can see here 5.38% the Axie Infinity price will pumps up. This is not a short pump, my friend. Absolutely, it's a very huge pump now, and it's really good profit, my friend. Absolutely, the price will be starting increasing. You can see here, my friends, from 1 from 118 point I think something to you can see, my friend, absolutely 129 USD dollar. It's a very big change, my friend, in the prices. Definitely no coin, my friend, will hit this target, so I hope, my friend, in upcoming time also they will hit now. My friend, is the very huge target, so please holders, you will need now to, my friends, hold down, otherwise they will never give you a profit. Please holders, I told you, my friend, the price was very big change in this time. So what's the reason, my friend? The reason is that the reason is completely investor and short time investor. In a short time investor are starting selling, so definitely the price will fails down. But when a holder are starting investing, so the price will change into this huge target. You can see, my friend, 118 to 129. Definitely I hope the price is also this time increasing, so I hope they will again hit now 144 USD dollar. But this is very high, a huge target, therefore need, my friends, to we also collaborate now, we also hold now, otherwise this coin will fails down. So please try again, holders. This is temporary firm, but don't worry, my friend. I hope they will recover all the loss and they will give you a profit. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.